This is a brand new 2013 Lexus GS 350. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, direct injection, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a power trunk closer, cruise control, leather interior trim, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a toolkit, rear impact crumple zones, stability control, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.